मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों को एक लेटेस्ट न्यूज़ आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे जो निफ्टी 50 के बारे में। और आप लोगों ने देखा जो मार्केट हाइलाइट्स, निफ्टी सेटल्स एट फ्रेश हाई, सेंसेक्स सोआर्स 573 PTCs, कोयल इंडिया जंप्स 7%, हिंडल्क को 4%। और आप लोगों ने देखा Sensex today stock market live updates. Indian equities index supply higher on Friday than second trading session of the new year, with the Nifty 50 noticing a free record as base rally took hold. Strong corporate updates beyond earnings. Strong corporate updates beyond earning expectation, lifting investor sentiments and across sector. Sensex today. Stock market live updates. The Nifty 50 climbed as much as 193.45 points during the session to an all-time high of 26,340 before closing at 26,328.55, up 182 points or 0.7%. The BSE Sensex advanced 573 points or 0.67% to finish at 85,776. On the Sensex, gains were led by NTPC, Trend, Bajaj Finance, Power Grid and Maruti Suzuki, with the stock racing between 1.5% and 5%. Broader market also firm, with mid-cap shares climbing about 1% and small-cap stock adding roughly 0.7%. Banking heavyweight underpins the advance. The bank index rose 0.7, with the private sector lenders up 0.5% and state-run banks jumping to 1.2%, both segment touching free high. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो ऑटो स्टॉक आउट परफॉर्म्स पासिंग द सेक्टर इंडेक्स अप 1.2%. Hero Motocorp gains 1.6% and TVS Motor rose 1.5% after reporting strong December sale. ITC extends it is the declines after Bucharest warned of an earning impact from a sharp increase in cigarette tax. Shares of the gold-backed Marger sealed 4%, dragging the fast-moving consumer good index down 1.2%. Or metal stock gain 1.4%, tracking farmer global price as a weaker US dollar and signs of stronger industrial activity in China beyond the sector. Global market update. S&P 500 feature rose 0.4% as of 7:09 a.m. London time. Nasdaq 100 feature rose 0.7%. The MSCI Asia Pacific Index rose 1.1%. Hong Kong Hang Seng rose 2.5%. Euro Stock 50 feature fell 0.4%. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो KPI ग्रीन एनर्जी बिग पावर सप्लाई फ्रॉम 92 MW hybrid project in Gujarat. Marico expected high 20s increase in consolidated revenue in Q3 with margin improvement. Adani Enterprise launches public issue of NCDs worth raise 100 crore. Siddharth Puya, the contra stock picker who turned off raise 10 lakhs into raise 4 crore in 13 years. Mumbai-based characters accountant Siddharth Bhaiya 47, who passed away on Wednesday after cardiac arrested while holidaying in New Zealand, was a celebrated content investor Bleeding's value of the growth principles. The identified small cap and mid cap multiplier early his raised 4,000 crore India Opportunity Fund delivered stellar 33% CAGR, turning raised 10 lakhs into nearly raised 4 crore in 13 years. और आप लोगों ने देखा बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ग्लोबल एडवांस अप 13.55% YoY as of December 31. VMart Retail Q3 business update. Consolidated revenue grew in the high twice year on year. ZTL industry Q3 updates. Export at 9,591.77 MT up 0.75% QOQ and 11% YoY. Private equity investment in real estate jumps 59% to 6.7 billion in 2025. प्लीज़ जो मेरे वीडियो है थोड़ा लाइक एंड शेयर सब्सक्राइब लेटेस्ट वीडियो बनाएंगे थैंक यू